Tiny reviewer. Hostess CupCakes. My first time eating a cupcake when I'm taking this YouTube video. So I was supposed to get Twinkies, if you know that, but it didn't have any, so we bought cupcakes instead because Twinkies has also the same brand of Hostess. Nutrition facts and quite a handful of ingredients. So let's open it up. Oh, Wikipedia, sorry.
Hostess CupCakes is an American brand of snack cake produced and distributed by Hostess Brands. Its most common form is a chocolate cupcake with chocolate icing and vanilla cream filling, with 8 distinctive white squiggles across the top. It has been claimed to be the first commercially produced cupcake and has become an iconic American brand.
So, I thought I was gonna get the knife and fork for me to taste it. I'm gonna open it up, so we're just in time to eat it. So there's 2 cupcakes. And I forgot to tell you, the 8 squiggles, the white squiggles, are a signature. I'm not sure what signature it is, though. So the problem is, how do I get the cupcakes out? That's what I'm wondering. Very soft, though. I'm gonna ask my dad to get it out for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's cut it in half. Cut through the squiggles of the half. Ooh, I never knew there would be white inside. I thought it was just gonna be dark chocolate at the end. Dirty knife. So looks like I'm just gonna have to eat it with my hands, I guess. That's the only way I can eat it. I mean, I like cupcakes. Seriously, I love cupcakes. Best cupcake ever. Who likes getting cavities? Nobody. So always brush your teeth afterwards. Wow. The white thing's like whipped cream. I'm not sure if it is, but it's something like cream. Best cupcake ever. I'm gonna give this half to my dad and mom. Let's see if they eat it. So I got this for about $1 to $1.50. But you guys, if you guys buy more, because I recommend you guys to buy at least 10 of them. I'm saying 10 of these, which is 10 times 2, what's that? 20. So 20 of them, if you count them one by one. I want you guys to buy that much because it is like the best. Have a cupcake party at your birthday party. No need for a cake, just put a stick candle inside and then you'll have a birthday cake. A birthday cupcake, I mean. So, subscribe and press the like button and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Eat a glass of water too because I can't brush my teeth right now.